And this is kind of essentially the complete opposite of Mercury in the fact that it has the thickest terrestrial, the thickest atmosphere of any terrestrial planet in our solar system. So terrestrial meaning that it has a rocky surface, it's not a gas giant, and the atmosphere is incredibly thick. So thick, in fact, that a typical day here on Mercury, or on Venus, is about 900 degrees Fahrenheit when it's in the sun. And this is because, like I said, of that atmosphere. It has a geothermal warming effect. All that heat gets trapped in the CO2 of this atmosphere, which is the primary molecule that makes up all of the air, CO2 on Venus. So if you ever want something to frighten you a little bit, think of Venus when you hear about climate change and all the CO2 emissions that we're doing here on Earth. Venus is eventually what we would probably turn into atmospheric-wise. And if we keep on going with these CO2 emissions that we've got here on Earth right now as humans, we're kind of hurting the planet a lot. And since we're talking about that, let's take a look at Earth. It's beautiful right now, but we have a lot to do to preserve it. Us humans, we're kind of not great for the planet as it is. Technology is advancing so fast, and sometimes we don't really think about the consequences of that technology. And technology is not necessarily a bad thing. Technology can also help us preserve the planet. So using solar energy, recycling, that kind of thing, it's always going to help preserve the planet.